Chinese factory. Amazing. Good quickly. Good price. If you want, kata kata me. Is my English okay?